Good evening, guys. Welcome to the session. Yeah, what just like what problem are you facing? What exact? Can you explain? So everyone, the project report samples have been shared in the Telegram group. So please look into it, refer the documents, and make the documentation. Okay. So the same way, the same sections you have to make the documentation reports. Okay. So there will be marks for them. Okay, project development phase, ideation phase, everything. Okay, model reports, everything you have to make the documentation for your project. Okay, for your particular model. So Raj, I'm exactly not sure about this. So you can just drop a message in the Telegram group for mentioning our operations team. Okay, so that operations team can help you. Okay. Yeah, Raj, the your voice is mandatory. Your explanation about the project is mandatory in the video demonstration. Okay, you have to execute your project locally. Okay, while explaining about the project. Yeah, but just like, can you tell me like what error are you facing with? Is it showing a 404 error, something like that? The error which you are getting in the terminal, you can share that also. Did you made the application, your Flask application? Are you able to run it? Yeah, Shiva, just please just wait. I'll let you know. Okay. So Ria, you completed the project, right? So again, log into your portal with your student account. Okay. So there under guided project, you will be seeing the section called as My Workspace. So click on that, go to your workspace. So you'll be seeing the sections for GitHub repository, video demonstration and documentation. So what you do, just you create a repository in the GitHub, upload the entire project files, everything in the GitHub. Okay. So copy that repository link. Okay. And paste the repository link in the workspace. Okay. In the workspace under the GitHub repo link place, you place the repo link, paste it and press it confirm. Okay. Same do with the video demonstration video, record the project with the explanation screen record your project while you execute it locally. So you take the video, upload to your drive, make the video public. Okay, give access to view any through link, so that anyone can easily view your video. Okay, so paste the drive link in the demo section and do same with the document. Okay, so you can just copy paste the entire document in the document section. So that's how you can submit the project. Okay. So just once check that the file is present in the correct folder directory which you are mentioned while loading the model. Okay, so make sure your model is in the correct directory which you are integrated in the app.py. Then you can get the result. Okay. So Shiva, you're asking about documentation, right? So in the Telegram group, I have shared some sample reference of the documentation. So you have to create it the same way. Okay. Take the reference of the documentation and make the each and every report. Okay. So that's how you can complete the documentation. Vinay Kumar, no problem. Like you have pasted the wrong link in the demonstration video section, right? So no problem. Just upload your video along with the project executor files in the GitHub. Okay, so upload your video along the GitHub. Okay, I'll check that video in the GitHub. No problem. Or else you can just paste the link along with the project executable files. Okay, make in the project executable files, make a new folder such as demonstration video. Inside the folder you can paste your drive link there. Okay. So Jayant, you have to upload the project executable files in the GitHub. Okay, so create your account in your GitHub account. Okay, so in your GitHub account, uh, create a particular repository for the project. Okay, so in that repository you have to upload the all deliverable files to the GitHub. Okay, like the project reports. Okay, so executable files. Then the executable files, what will be going, the flask folder. Okay, the model. So everything you need to be uploaded, you have to upload into your GitHub. Okay, so open a repository or else create a new repository. Okay, in that you can see the option called as upload files from local in the GitHub repository. Add new files or upload files from the local option, you can see there. click on that, select the all the files and just push into the GitHub, or else you can drag and drop your all files into GitHub. Okay, after that you commit the changes in the GitHub. Okay, so that the all the deliverable files will be uploaded into the GitHub. Then you copy the link of the repository. Okay, you just copy the repository link. Okay, and save it uh, side. Okay, after that log in into the same your student portal. Okay, smart interns portal with a student account. So under the guided project, the where you have enrolled to your project, after your project have been accepted, immediately you can see a workspace option there. Why? In order to upload these all the things, you need to get access of the workspace. So you can see the button called as go to my workspace. Okay, click on that, so your workspace will be opening. So you can see three options there. One is for GitHub repository link, second one is for video demonstration link, and third one is from document. Okay, so the repository link which you have copied recently, you just paste that link in the repo section. Okay, coming to the video demonstration, you screen record the project while executing it. Okay, you screen record the entire video with the explanation. Explanation is mandatory. Just upload your entire video to your drive. Okay, give the access. Can anyone view through link? Okay, so give the access. Paste the git demonstration video link in the demo section. Okay, same as like you can copy the entire documentation and just paste in the documentation section. Okay, so this how you can able to submit the all deliverable files. Okay, so Akash, you're telling that the images issue has been not resolved. So can you help me with your project title, which you're working on, you're facing the issue with? Yes, Jayan, the model source code you have to upload to GitHub. Everything, the source code, Flask files, like HTML files, model files, okay, model reports. Okay. Yes, Jayan, you have to upload your notebook as well as the Flask files also. The one which you are having in the VS Code is the complete application, that is Flask files. Okay, and the one another one is like your model, your notebook. Okay. Yeah, Varchas, you just like you don't drop the code, just drop the error, okay? And just tell me where you are getting this error, okay? While pre-processing or after model building, just now as you mentioned that you have completed the model building and you have loaded the model into the VS Code, okay? And it just worked, and now you are not getting the output you mentioned, right? Jayant, you can see the workspace option in your under the guided project. Okay, the place where you have enrolled the project, right? There you can see your workspace option. Okay. Yeah, Akash. Yeah, I have noted you this project title. It will be resolved soon. Okay. So Ria, you're saying that dashboard shows no internship program found. So can you just share me your email ID? Just drop it in the Q&A. Yeah, Chandradeep, the evaluations will be begin after all of them completed the project. Okay. after all of you completing your projects, the evaluations will be started. Okay. Yeah, Varchas, I can see the mainly the issue is like you have not converted the entire the data types into the numeric and float. Okay, so make sure you're converting or encoding the complete data set into the numeric values. Okay, so the machine can only understand the numeric values, right? So make sure you're doing that. So Varchas, like when you are running the notebook or running the each cell, make sure that every time you are running the entire notebook at once. Okay, completely make sure that you are running entire notebook at once. Okay, step by step. Like if you're working on the notebook, like if you done with the numerical encoding and you are going to the next step, make sure you run again the entire notebook at once and just you proceed with the next cell. Okay. uh, why means it will be like it will make sure that every pre-processing steps are in sequence, right? Because while you're running the each and every cell individually, the data will be manipulated and it will be not updated when you go into the next cell, right? So when you run the entire notebook while you're running each cell, it would be better like it will be make sure that everything is in the correct, working on the correct updated data, right? So make sure try with this, you'll be getting that. Okay, even you are making the correct code, each and you're following the each and every step and you're encoding the data types, But if you not run the entire notebook at once, it will be data will be manipulated in between, right? So the cells will be not, the code will be not working on the updated data set, right? In between, the data set will be remain same even after you have done some data manipulation things, right? So make sure that. So Parikshit, you're telling that the data set for enemy predictor is not accessible. That means you didn't have started your project yet. Kanishka, your same problem. It shows no internship. Okay. Can you share me your email ID? So Bhumika, that's it for now. You have completed the uploading the documents and deliverable files, right? So for now, that's it. Okay. Yeah, Chandradeep. So I have just shared you the project documentation samples in the Telegram group. So refer that and complete the documentation work also. Okay. In the same way, you have to create the reports for your model, for your project. Okay. Yeah, Parikshit, you'll be getting the dataset link. It will be accessible. Try once again, reload the page and just click on the link. Okay. So guys, check the Telegram group. I have shared the entire project report samples there. The same way in the same folder, like you can create the same files. Okay. Refer the documents. Try to edit the document according to your project. Make the samples and upload. Okay. In the same way, in the same like folders, like ideation phase, project development phase. So you have to create such files and you have to upload it into GitHub along with your project files. Okay. So Shiva, like for this query, you can ask in the Telegram group. Okay. So my operations team will be helping you with this exact query related your uh, portal issues. Okay. And you have asked like you have to complete the two mentioned courses in the portal. Is it mandatory, right? So not like that, but if it's better you complete the two courses. Okay. You have completed the machine learning course. Okay. It would be better beneficial if you also complete the IBM one. Okay. Is it clear, Shiva? Yeah. Yeah, but just like in train data, the train data, there are okay, okay. Okay, let me see. See, but just you have to remove these null values, okay, and you have to replace these missing values accordingly. Okay, so that's what I'm telling. Make sure your data set, okay, the training data set might contain no null values, no missing values. The data set should be filled, and the entire data set should be encoded into the numeric values, right? In the train data, some values, some string values, I can see some string values. Okay, so you have to encode it. You have to convert the string values into numeric values. Hope you got my answer. Yeah, Akash, I understood. You have send me the project title. So what I'll inform my team, I'll say them to fix that issue. So by tomorrow the issue will be resolved. Okay. So don't worry if you are not able to complete within the deadline. We'll be giving 1 2 days of time so that you can complete the project. Okay. So don't worry about this. The issue regarding the images will be resolved. Okay. So already the issue regarding the employee prediction, employee performance prediction project has been resolved. Okay, so it will also be resolved. Okay, don't worry. So some of them already informed, daily informing about the previous project, like the this employee prediction project, galaxy related project. So you would have informed before, right? So that till now it could be fixed. So no problem, don't worry. I'll tell them to resolve this issue. You can complete it. Okay. Yeah, Vijay. And I'm telling to everyone, once go to the Telegram group. I have already shared the project documentation format and project report samples, everything. Go to that, refer to them, and just complete your project related documents. Okay. The same documents in the same way you have to complete. You have to make the each and every document and you have to submit in the GitHub. Okay. Is it clear, Abhijay? So if you just if you drop the null values, uh, so what error are you getting? So can you just tell me like you're following the each and every step from the portal correctly, Virtuous? Can you make sure about that? In the every step, in the every pre-processing step, try to understand like how you are converting the data, how you are managing the data. Okay, how you are replacing? Are you replacing the data or are you deleting the entire columns? Okay, so understand that. So yeah, I was just not getting your question. Can you explain? You're asking like you want to build a model again with the code provided in the portal. You want rebuild your model according to the code provided in the portal. That's what you're asking. So not like almost same. You just follow the exact steps. Okay. Yeah, our just understood. Like after completing your building your code notebook, that is model notebook, download your model. Okay, download the model to the local. Okay, to save the model with the model name, any name. So while you are building the application code, that is app.py, you have to integrate this model, okay, with your front end pages. Okay, so inside the app.py you will be integrating the model. You have to load the model through the model path. Okay, so model path, inside the model path the model name will be going. So along with the project files, along with the html pages. Okay, uh, after that you have to place the model there. Okay, the model there. So the model the model will be there in the files, right, in the next to the template files. In the same directory the model should be present. Okay, so model should be present in the same directory, as well as the model path you have to integrate in the app.py. Okay, so if you run the app.py, okay, while you are placing the model in the same directory, the model will be connected to your html pages. Okay, that's how you can integrate your model with the Flask backend with app.py. Okay, so these steps is completely documented in your portal, right? Read it, understand what's going on, how to build the setup the application, that is app.py. Okay, yeah, you can make it. Yeah, Vijay, I've just shared the documents. Go through it. Guys, everyone, go to your Telegram group. There will be a link I have just shared. Okay, so there you can find the sample documents of the project. Okay, complete project and the model document sample. Refer to that. According to your project title, make the documentation in the same way, in the same files. Okay, and just upload into the GitHub. Okay. Okay, guys. I'm ending the meeting right now. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you for joining. Thank you for your time.